Colliers Wood to Putney Bridge, a Spartan-style London adventure. Hey Spartans, ready for another fun city hike? This time, we're taking on a laid-back 5.5-mile, 8.8 kilometers route from Colliers Wood to Putney Bridge. It usually takes around 3 hours, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants an easy scenic stroll through southwest London. We'll kick things off at Colliers Wood Station, jumping straight onto the River Wandle Trail. This serene riverside path is a hidden gem. Imagine peaceful waters lined with trees, then suddenly vibrant neighborhoods full of London charm. You'll spot relics of the past, like old mill sites and historical boards, reminding us how this modest river once helped power major industries in the city. Along the way, we'll pass through Earlsfield and Wandsworth, two buzzing areas known for their local shops, cafés, and a friendly community vibe. Keep an eye out for intriguing spots like King George's Park, where you can take a quick breather, snap some photos, or just enjoy being outdoors. Eventually, the River Wandle meets the mighty Thames, and we'll hop onto the Thames path. Get ready for awesome waterfront views and a stroll through Wandsworth Park, a lush green space perfect for stretching your legs. After that, we'll wrap up near Putney Bridge, where a cozy pub by the water awaits. Ideal for celebrating our Spartan spirit with a refreshing drink. So grab your comfiest shoes, bring your camera, and come explore this unique corner of London. From hidden riverside paths to lively neighborhoods, this walk has it all. Let's do this, Spartans. See you at Colliers Wood. Thanks for watching, and see you on the trail. Subscribe to our channel for more walks and adventures around London. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts or experiences along the River Wandle Trail in the comments below by Hiking in London Club.